In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Plenty of Fish Meet Me section to meet people and have some fun. The Plenty of Fish Meet Me can be accessed by logging into your Plenty of Fish page and clicking this link here that says Meet Me. Or you can do it by accessing the URL that is being shown on the screen right now. And the Plenty of Fish Meet Me is a combination of a game and a way of actually increasing the number of people you can meet on Plenty of Fish. The way it works is you're shown an image of a member of Plenty of Fish that's in your area, and you select if you want to meet her or not. You click either no, maybe, super yes, or yes. If you click no or maybe, nothing happens. If you click yes, they get sent an email saying you want to meet them. So that explains those emails that you get that say so-and-so wants to meet you, like these. The reason you get these emails is these people played the Plenty of Fish Meet Me game and they clicked the yes button on your profile pic. If you click super yes, then that's a way of them getting the notification that you're interested in them quicker, but you have to pay to upgrade to do that, and it's really not necessary. If you're interested in them, just click yes. You'll be taken to the next picture. Click yes, no, or maybe, and so on and so on. By the way, a little tip: when you get these emails that say so-and-so wants to meet you, and you click them and it tells you have to upgrade to see who it is, you don't have to pay to upgrade. Just go to our POF username search tool, which is what you see right here now. You just copy to clipboard the username of the person who wants to meet you, paste it in the tool, click search POF by username, and it will show you their profile with a link to their profile so you can go there and start messaging them. One thing you should be aware of: 𝐸𝐴𝐓 has been known to send these fake Meet Me requests of members that don't exist just to get people to upgrade. I don't know if that's true or not, but if you put a person's username in this tool and it shows that there's no results for that username, that just may be the case. A little tip there to help save you some money. Now, this POF Meet Me game, it's fun and wonderful and all, but after a while it gets a little bit tedious to have to keep clicking buttons and to do this long enough to actually have it produce a result that makes a difference. So a tool that automates this, a Plenty of Fish Meet Me auto clicker, is our very own Plenty of Fish Fast. To use the software, you just click this menu item here, POF Meet Me auto clicker, take you to the POF Meet Me page, and then you'll get this message that says to calibrate the software, first click the yes button under want to meet her. This is telling the software programs which buttons are which. Click the no button. And then what the software is going to do at this point is 100% automate the clicking on these buttons. Now, to appear more human, there's a slight pause between button click. So we put a pause that varies. In fact, you can specify the pause here. If you want, you could put no pause, or 5 to 10 seconds, or 10 to 20 seconds, or 20 to 30. We'll put it 5 to 10 to speed it up. You can also specify how many times the software program is going to click before it quits. Again, you can set it to don't stop or any number of times. And the software program doesn't always click the yes button. As you see the tally here, clicks the yes button about 85–90% of the time, and the no and maybe button the other times, again to appear more human. The whole point is you let this program simply run in your system tray in the background, let it do its thing, and then hundreds, if not potentially thousands of Plenty of Fish members are notified that you're interested in them. At that point, your job is to filter out the ones that you don't like, and you'll have a whole list of women who are interested in you, and you can start chatting with them. It's all about automation, and that's what speeds up your popularity on Plenty of Fish in the dating. But anyway, that's how to play the Plenty of Fish Meet Me game. You can do it yourself manually, or you can do it the automated way.